Built in 2005, this residence delivers both charm and functionality. You're greeted by a vast, level landscape, highlighted by tucked-away wooded trails that meander through approximately 15 acres of peaceful forest. Step inside to find a welcoming layout that includes a main-level bedroom, ideal for guests or a home office, alongside a family room and a dining area. The heart of the home is the kitchen and includes modern appliances, refrigerator, range, dishwasher, and microwave. And just beyond is the family room that centers around a cozy fireplace, creating a natural hub for gatherings or quiet evenings in. A convenient main floor bedroom adds flexibility and accessibility, while a practical laundry room rounds out this level. Head upstairs to discover 3 additional bedrooms, including a generously sized primary and a full bath, offering comfort and privacy for family and guests alike. One of the home's highlights is the 4-season room, boasting tall windows that frame tranquil wooded views. The large unfinished attic and full concrete basement are brimming with potential. Car enthusiasts or hobbyists will love the dual setup, an attached 2-car garage plus a detached 2-car garage, plus extra workshop space giving ample room for vehicles, projects, or equipment storage. What are you waiting for? Call Lindsay Walker Moore to see this beautiful home today.